You're really into this, huh? Oh, that's good. Did it work?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, okay. So we're good, right? All right. Look at this. My pizza costume is complete. Pizza Man is about to take a slice out of crime. But watch me. Watch me. Look out. Look out. Look out. Look out. I'm going to fly. Oh. I need a sidekick. You want to be Pepperoni Boy?
Very nice of you. Thank you. I will take that. Cousin Sal, everybody. Tonight on the show, meet the